Good morning students, welcome to mathematics class. Today we are going to study chapter 12, that is algebraic expressions. Today's topic is using algebraic expressions, formulas and rules. Algebraic expressions, formulas and rules. Suppose the perimeter of the equilateral triangle. Perimeter. How you find the perimeter of the equilateral triangle? What is the suppose equilateral triangle? What is the equilateral triangle means? All sides are equal. How many sides are there? 3 sides are there. Suppose you take the side length is L. Suppose L you take. Then how many lengths are there? 3 lengths are there. So what is the perimeter of the equilateral triangle? 3 means sum of all the sides, length plus length plus length, all sides are equal. That's why it is 3L. This is the area of the perimeter of the equilateral triangle. Suppose perimeter of the square. What is the meaning of the square? All sides are equal. It is also all sides are equal. Then how many sides are there? It is 4 sides are there. So side I am taking L means it is perimeter of the square equal to what is the formula? It is 4L. Like that way. Hexagon how many sides are there? Regular hexagon, that is equilateral, means 5 sides are there. So perimeter of the regular hexagon is called 5L. Like that way, these are the formulas of the perimeter. Suppose the area of the formula of the area of square, all sides are equal. Area of the square, all sides are equal. Then what is the area of the square? It is length square, side square, that is S into S. L I have taken side, then that is L square. Like that way, area of the triangle. What is the formula? That is half base into height. Or B into H by 2. Anything. This is equal to that. This is the area. Suppose area of a rectangle. What is the area of the rectangle? It is half L2 into L into B. That is the area of the rectangle. Now, this once a formula, that is the algebraic expression for a given quantity is known, the value of the quantity can be computed as required. For example, L is given. Suppose L is equal to 3 cm given. Then what is the area? How you find that? Here value already given. You put the expression this. L square, area of the square is equal to L square. So area of the square. How you find the value? You put in this. L means 3 cm. 3 into 3. 3 square means 3 into 3, 9 square centimeter. Cm into cm both here. So cm into cm square 9 centimeter. Like that way, perimeter of the square. Perimeter of the square. How you find? 4 into L, 4L. That is the perimeter of the square. In place of L, you write the given value. How much is there? 12 centimeter. Like that way, you have to find the formulas using the algebraic expressions. Now we study the ruling for number pattern. Suppose if your natural number denoted as n, this is the natural number. What is the successor of this number? Successor means plus 1. So what is the successor of this natural number? That is n plus 1. Suppose the natural number n is equal to 10 given. Then what is the successor of this? Then that is 11. Do you understand? This is the one pattern. If that natural number denoted n means the successor of that number is n plus 1. Suppose the number is 10, then it will come 10 plus 1, 11. 2n, that is even number. Then what number will come? To n plus 1, in place of n, it is even number you have to put. Then 2 into, suppose 2 is the even number, you put that one, plus 1. What is this is the successor. What is the successor of even number? Then what will come? 4 plus 1, it is 5. 5 is an odd number. Suppose the odd number given, 15. Then how much will come? That is 30. 2n is even number. If you will. Then what is the successor of that? Then 1. It is an odd number. Like this way is the number pattern. Suppose 4 matchsticks on 4 straws like that. You cut equal sides are there, equal. Then it is 4 line segments. If you will put 2 squares same in repetition of the 2 squares, then how many will come? 1 square is equal 4 line segments. Then 2 squares repeatedly you have to put in the same place. Then what will come? So how many will come? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 came. Then suppose the squares repeatedly you will put in the 3 squares at a time. Then how many will come? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. This is the pattern. That pattern how we will use the rule. This rule is 3 into n. 3 and n means the figure. N plus 1. Plus 1 means the success. This is the formula of the pattern. 3n. Suppose the n is figure, how many figures are there? How many squares are there? Here 1 square is there, n is equal to 1. Then plus 1. How much is there? 3 1 is 3 plus 1, it is 4. Do you understand? 4 how it came? 3n plus 1. This is the formula. Then suppose the 2 squares are there. How 7 can see? 2 squares are there here. 2 squares means in place of n, you write 2. Then plus 1. Then how much will do? 3 2 is 6 plus 1, 7. 7 came, write that way 3. 3 means in place of n, you write 3. Plus 1, it is 3 3 is 9 plus 1, 10. Then next 4 squares you want. Then how much will come? See, 3 into n plus 4 you write, plus 1 write. How much will come? 3 4 is 12 plus 1, 13. See, 13 will come. See, like this. Then suppose you need n is equal 6. 6 squares are there. Then what is the answer will come? 3n plus 1. In place of n, you write 6 plus 1. 6 3 is 18 plus 1, 19. Like I said, this is the pattern of the number pattern. This number square, how many you want, you need, you use that one. n is the number of figures. So how many number of figures you want, you write in the place of n. So this is the formula of this pattern. Another pattern is there, that is the figure is u. See how many line segments are needed here? One figure it is 3. Then 2 figures repeated. Then how many will come? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then how it came? 3 successor, how you write? 2n plus 1. You have to write. n means the number of figures. Here number of figures, how many are there? 1 is there. 2 into n plus 1 you write figure. Then 1. How much is there? 2 1 is 2 plus 1, 3. 3 came. Then 2 means it is 5. Then 3 same repeatedly. 3 means how much will come? See, 2n plus 1. How much is there? In place of n you write 3. Plus 1. How much is there? 3 2 is 6 plus 1, 7. It is 7. Like that way, 4. Repeatedly, 4. This type of figure you have to draw here. Right. Then how many will come? That is 2 into 4 plus 1. How much is that? 2 4 the 8 plus 1, 9. So it is 9. Like that way, how much you would need? That much you have to write in the place of n. Number n means number of figures. Do you understand why this way? Do you understand that? Those patterns, whatever patterns given, first you see, observe the pattern, then you have to follow the rules of the pattern. So ruling for number pattern, that one you have to learn. I think you have understood this one. So this much for today. Next class we will discuss some more numbers. Thank you.